Diacritics and diagraphs in Igbo. Diacritics are those letters in Igbo language with additional dots. You don't find such letters in the English alphabet. There are 4 of them in Igbo. They are E, Ng, A, O. An example of a sentence containing all the diacritics. Ị chọrọ ịṅụ mmiri? A question. Ị chọrọ ịṅụ mmiri? So this question contains E, Ng, A, and O. Ị chọrọ ịṅụ mmiri? Do you want to drink water? Ị chọrọ ịṅụ mmiri? Do you want to drink water? Diagraphs are 2 letters that represent one sound in Igbo. So in Igbo, we don't see them as 2 letters, we see them as 1 letter. For example, the first one here is CH. In Igbo, it is Ch, which is 1 letter. The next one is GB. In Igbo, it is Bwe. So in Igbo, we have 9 diagraphs, and they are Che, Bwe, Re, Gwe, Be, Kwe, Nwe, Nye, She. So examples of sentences that have the diagraphs. Chinwe nyere m ụgbọala. Chinwe gave me a car. Ọ ghọtara ihe I kwuru. She understood what you said. Gwa ya ka o kpuru okpu ya n'isi ya. Tell him to wear his cap on his head. Again, the diagraphs are Che, Bwe, Ye, Gwe, Be, Kwe, Nwe, Nye, She. Okay? Thank you for watching. Cody.